Hi everyone, my name is Tatiana Sobolevsky. I am a realtor in South Florida. Today we will cover two important topics that impact the market. The first topic is reserve study for condominiums. The second topic is the shift to a buyer's market in 2025. If you're interested in this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest Miami real estate news. Now, let's start it. Let's talk about reserve funds. If you are planning to buy a condo in Miami, especially in a high-rise building, you absolutely need to know about the reserve funds of this condominium. First, I want to explain you about structural integrity reserve study. This is detailed financial assessment of the building you are considering. The study helps determine whether the association have enough funds set aside for the future repairs and maintenance. For example, a roof replacement, plumbing, AC system, elevators, all of these are costly projects that funded by the building's reserve fund. Starting in 2025, Florida's law requires all buildings 3 stories and taller to undergo a structural integrity reserve study every 10 years. Additionally, properly funded reserve contributed by unit owners must be maintained for all necessary repairs. This became mandatory after the tragic Surfside collapse, as lawmakers want to ensure the buildings are not only structurally safe but also financially prepared for long-term maintenance. If the reserve funds is insufficient, unit owners may face huge special assessment. And this is something that both buyers and sellers need to be aware of. Share your comments. What do you think about that? If you are buying a condo, be sure to request the latest structural integrity reserve study report. If you are selling, make sure your building meets the requirements and the reserve funds is fully funded so buyers don't have to deal with this financial issue on your behalf. Let's talk about the Miami real estate market in 2025. From 2012 to 2020, the market was in the favor of the sellers. Since 2012, housing prices steadily increased, creating excellent conditions to the property owners. This growth continued until 2020, when the COVID-19 pandemic disrupted the economy. Now the situation has changed. Miami has entered a buyer's market. Inventory levels have skyrocketed. There are a huge number of listings for homes and condos on the market. This gives buyers more options and better negotiation power. At the same time, the risk of the flooding has caused property insurance rates to rise sharply. High mortgages interest rates are a limited financial option, and there are too many developments in the market. All of this has shifted the advantage towards cash buyers. Houses prices are dropping. In some cases, I have seen price reduction up to 50%. If you have been waiting for the right time to buy, now might be the moment. Listings are sitting on the market for months. By the way, realtors removing and releasing a property on MLS to reset its days on market doesn't work. The listing history remains as a system and fully visible. Now sellers are adapting to the new reality. If you're a seller, don't be panic. Homes are still selling, but pricing and smart marketing now playing a crucial role. Leave your comments what you think about that. I understand that many sellers don't want to lose money, especially if they bought in high prices and invested in renovation. However, the market has shifted, and the situation for seller may worsen in the near future. You have two options: sell now, accept some losses. Second one, wait for the next price surge, which may take several years. What can help sell your property now? High quality visual and technical presentation for your property. Professional video and photo shoot. Competitive pricing to attract potential buyers. Whether you're buying and selling real estate in Miami, please understand reserve funds and current market trends. It will help you save time, money and stress. Thank you so much for watching. Please support me, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment with your think about prices, reserves and Miami market. See you in the next video. Bye bye.